Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. Topic today I help you how to use laser properties manager dialog box. Okay, now you open dialog box. Open. This is a laser property manager dialog box. Okay, laser zero. Uh, this is a laser default. Uh, Now, if you want to create new laser, you click here, icon, new laser. Okay, click here. Okay, now your renames laser assemble wrist. Okay, uh, and then setting color assemble. Yeah. Okay. Lifestyle. You continue. Okay. Lightweight. Uh, select. Okay. Okay. Continue. Create new laser. Yeah. New laser. New laser. New laser. Okay. Rename. Rename laser countries. Countries. Okay. Setting. Setting color. Setting color. Yellow. Okay. Continue. Okay. Light way. Yeah. Okay. Rename. Has setting color. Okay. Continue. Okay. Okay. Rename. Finish. Okay. Setting laser. Okay. Color. Okay. Uh, okay. Now, if you want to delete laser, you select laser and click here. Okay. Continue. If you want laser 2, you select laser 2 and then you click icon delete. Okay. Okay. Very easy. Uh, Now you look on ring eye draws a line example. Okay. Now you can assign laser. You select here. Select laser, for example, laser finish. Okay. Laser finish assign to object. Laser finish. Laser. Okay. Zero air laser current. You select laser current. Example, Chris. Okay. Cross line. Yeah. Laser wrist. You can countries. uh, okay, laser countries. Has has a has. Okay, you change a size laser symbol laser has to laser countries check. Okay, very easy. So this video tutorial is the end. If you feel this video helpful, you can subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.